Hello YouTube. This footage is from a couple months ago when we went to the Dona Ana's and did the arch. This was a little side trip that we did. Finally got around to getting this video for you, so hope you like what we got. Tony's being our guide here, leading the way. You can see straight ahead, I believe that is the Gap. It takes a little while to work over to it. Beautiful country, nice and round hills to climb up and drop down and come back up. It's a very fun little ride, not real challenging on clearance or anything. Just a nice, easy, fun ride. At first, as you approach it, it doesn't really seem like there's a road that goes up where it does. And it's kind of cool how, as you drive up through it, it narrows drastically and kind of lifts the left side of the vehicle up, and it's a cool little deal. So back from this side of it, you can kind of see the Sphinx part of it.
That was steep! Holy cow!
Kevin wasn't able to make it on this trip. We plan to go back and spend a little more time on the Gap and get a little bit better footage of it. This footage really didn't do it justice, but kind of crept up on us. Tony knew where we were going. I knew it existed. I'd just never been there, so all of a sudden there we were. Thanks for joining us for another one of our little adventures. We have a good time doing these. Hope you enjoyed watching it.